The old county courthouse was built at the corner of James and King Streets in 1849, and 3 years later, council approved putting a town clock in the tower. To access the clock, one goes through the front door, up a broad spiral staircase to the second floor, where the former courthouse meeting rooms once were. The men's washroom provides access to a narrow, sharply winding wooden staircase that leads to two small connecting rooms, one of which provides the access to the bottom of the two weights which formerly provided the energy to the windings and springs which operated the clock. The tall, vertical, yellow-painted metal ladder leads to a stone-walled room where the pendulum swings back and forth. The pendulum is almost 3 meters long and is about the size of a dinner plate. There are two more small sets of wooden steps which lead to the clock, and then two more sets of wooden steps that lead to the bell tower. The bell and its clapper originally swung back and forth. Later, a hammer was installed to ring the bell. When the clock was first installed, a caretaker for the clock was hired to wind the clock, oil and grease the various moving parts, and adjust the time weekly so that it was within 1 minute of observatory time in Toronto. Over the past 170 years, there have only been a handful of timekeepers that have maintained the clock. The city's facility repair staff has been servicing the clock and adjusting the time for over 10 years. Two cement weights originally provided the energy to operate the clock. The larger one, weighing 270 kilos, ran the chimes, and the smaller one, weighing about 100 kilos, ran the clock and kept the 3-meter-long pendulum swinging. The weights also kept the escapement lever tick-tocking and the gears and clock hands turning. The old and current weights are run by a pulley system much like that of a grandfather clock. As time passes, the weights descend. Originally, 2 winches were turned by hand to lift the 2 concrete weights. In 2010, 2 electric motors were installed which automatically rewind and raise the weights and provide tension to the springs. All the other mechanical parts of the clock are original to 1852 and still need to be manually greased. The hands of the clock, or time, also needs to be adjusted because they lose a minute or 2 every couple of weeks. In the meantime, the courthouse clock remains an engineering marvel and one of the many landmarks from the city's past.